Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Simplykay, back with another video. Finally, I am back and I am excited to get back to where things were previously. It's been, I think, like a couple weeks since I put out a video, and I'll explain all about why in the video. But without further ado, this is going to be the first cash stuffing for March. We did skip February, but I did stuff everything by myself. But we're going to get into this first cash stuffing. We are stuffing, I want to say $370. I wrote it down somewhere, but I lost where I wrote it down. $370, I believe. If not, it's okay. We'll figure it out as we go. But that is what we're going to be stuffing today. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I hope that you enjoy this video. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey boy, hey, we are back and let's get into it. Okay, so your girl has been going through it, y'all. We're gonna start with our Moterm wallet. So gas was getting $75, but I already put in $50 because, as you guys know, the gas prices, you can't be sitting there keeping your money right here when you gotta go to work. So gas is getting $25 now. I put $50 in there already, which did not even fill it up. It's just crazy. I don't know. But anyway, the whole gas situation. So I guess I can just talk about it now. So not too long ago, I was having like back pain and rib pain. And I don't know if I hurt myself at work when turning patients or lifting somebody up when I was working in the ICU. But I noticed after I was done my ICU rotations that my back was killing me. Like, I could not sit there and stand for a long time. I can't sit for a long time without it hurting. So these 12-hour shifts were killing me. So long story short, I went to the doctor. They felt around and said that I had a rib out of place. And it made sense because my right side was killing me, as if something was poking out of my back, like hurting, and only like the top part of my back, which were my ribs. So I was referred to a chiropractor. Went to the chiropractor. First session was great. Second session, I don't know if she was like trying to go ham or this is like usual for her, but she jacked me up. Y'all, I was out for the count. Out. Like, the next day I was perfectly fine. I was feeling great. And the next day, boom, I felt like I was literally like I just got into a fight and it was like 5 against 1. Like, my whole left side of my body was just done. When I breathed, it hurt so bad to take a deep breath in. Like, I had the sharpest pain ever. Woke up out of my sleep crying. Like, I have a very high pain tolerance, so this was like nuts. So this past weekend I ended up going to the hospital, getting checked out or whatever. And apparently it was just like, thank God it was just what she did at the chiropractor, because, you know, nurse me is thinking like, oh my gosh, something more is going on. Like, am I gonna survive? Like, I'm just paranoid because of what I see at work. So luckily everything was fine, but she jacked me up. And I mean, like, my ribs, my back, my neck, everything felt like it was locked. It was so tight. Every time I took a little breath in, like, I was starting to like hyperventilate because I had to keep taking these small breaths. So long story short, why gas is way more for me now is because the first time I went to the chiropractor, she was like, well, you shouldn't really be working 12 hours anymore. Gave me a note to bring to work. So now I'm working 8-hour shifts, which means I'm working 4 to 5 days a week every week. So I work 4 days one week, and then the next week I work 5 days. So that's why it's been hard for me to like even try to do a video and like sit down and have time for myself, because I'm just trying to get used to this schedule. And then also I was in decapitating pain for the entire, from Friday, and then today's the first day. Today's Tuesday. Today's the first day I feel normal. And like when I breathe in a little bit, it still hurts, but like I feel like I'm able to go to work and work now. So that is what I have been dealing with. If you follow me on Instagram, you've kind of been up to date with everything, but I just wanted to put that out there. So gas is costing me a little bit more, and medical envelope took a hit a little bit because of all the co-pays and everything, having to go to the doctors. And I think that's pretty much it. But now I'm hoping that I will be good. I feel like every time I get on a roll and I start to get my videos going, something just pops up and happens. But your girl's feeling better. Thank you everyone for your prayers and your advice and everything. I don't think chiropractors are for me. I think that I'm just so small and fragile, like, that I don't trust going anymore. Maybe I'll try it again later down the road, but I think I'm just going to stick to massages, and like hopefully me just working 8-hour shifts is okay. I don't know if I'll be able to do that forever. So your girl's also trying to figure out if maybe going part-time would be an option, so that if I do go back to my 12-hour shifts, I'm just working a little bit less, which won't take too much of a pay cut because, as you guys know, I just got my raise not too long ago. And basically, if I go part-time, I'd be making exactly what I was making before the raise. So it's not gonna hurt. Like, it's nice to have more money, but I don't care about the money over my mental health and my physical health anymore. Like, I just don't care. Like, we will find a way if we need more money, like doing side stuff. I can get more into my crafting, and I don't know. But anywho, I just wanted to give you guys an update and try not to make that take 20 minutes to give you an update. But I missed you guys. I missed making videos. I literally just was laying on the couch doing nothing because I couldn't move. But I am back and I'm happy. So gas got $25. Toll is getting $5. It's just been like a crazy time, honestly. Food. So I did write out my expenses the other day, and I'm just like talking to my husband, like, we have to get it together because I spend so much money on food, and especially at work. So food is getting $20. I think I usually just try to take this money to work with me because I do like to eat at work, because some days are different. I go earlier some days for my break and later some days, so it's just nice to just not have to pack the same old thing. So $20 for that, $20 for date night, which will probably just be for like eating out, honestly, like pizza or something. Shopping's getting $20, even though I don't need to even give this to myself because I've been going on Amazon again. But I will give myself $20 just to have it. And so if I do go part-time, it wouldn't be until a little bit later, I believe. Probably like May-ish. So I still have some time to save my money. Then we're gonna hop into our cash envelopes. Fun money is going to be getting $10. We have 10 in here, so it's gonna have 20. Self-care is going to be getting $20. We have 25 in here, so we'll have a total of 20, 40, 45. Y'all, I'm trying to like stay focused because the Bachelor finale comes on tonight, and I don't know if you guys watched the Bachelor finale, but I got sucked into it. I never used to watch the Bachelor or the Bachelorette, but my best friend got me into it because she was always talking about it, and I fell into the trap. So now I gotta watch the finale because this season has been, woo child, crazy. Emergency fund is getting $10. So in the future, I already know that I'm going to be pulling out of this fund because of my trip to the hospital. Usually my hospital visits are $150 after insurance, so I'll probably have to take some money out of here because my medical envelope I kind of want to keep for co-pays and stuff, because I use that if I need to go to the doctor's office, or I know I have a dentist appointment coming up in April, so I don't want to wipe out that fund. And this was an emergency, so we should have $525. So 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 430, 440, 450, 460, 470, 480, 490, 500, 5, 10, 15, 20, 525. So thank God for the emergency fund. Car maintenance is getting $10 as well. other than gas, car has been good. Just a gas guzzler. So 100, 110, 120, 125. I don't know when my next oil change is. I just went in December, so probably around April, May-ish, I'll have to go again. Medical and dental, we used $45, so there's 75 in here. We're adding 10, so we should have 85. Ooh. 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85. Which this has been coming in clutch. I'm only 25, and the way my body is just breaking down is ridiculous. I just gotta finish this master's degree so I can have some more options that aren't, like, people never understand how much nursing, like, physically is. Like, I think people, when they think of nurses, they just think of, like, doctor's offices and, like, the cute stuff that you see on Grey's Anatomy, but we pull patients and turn patients and help patients up. Like, the amount of back strain and, like, it's a lot. I don't think people understand how physical it is. But my body has definitely feel like it's aged since becoming a nurse. So birthdays and gifts has 120. It's getting 10. So we should have 130, 20, 40, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 110, 115, 120, 125, 130. Hubby has $10. We're gonna add another 10, so he's gonna have 20 in here. Poor him, he was like, he's not the medical one in the family. He was stressed out when I wasn't feeling well, because I'm not usually, like, I'm telling you guys, I'm good with pain, and I was not having it. So vacation is getting 5, so that's a total of 15. We're not going anywhere. I have Memorial Day week off, so we might try to sneak somewhere, but especially if I go part-time, I'm trying to, like, get my money up before doing that, just in case, especially the savings account. So grad school had $1,100 in here for the summer, and we're adding in 100. And I know I did just pay the first payment, so it was like 3 something. I can't remember offhand. I'm in a payment plan for that, so it was 3 something, and I paid that. So in this envelope, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. And I know there's like 200 in my account, so $900. And I think I only need like 1,300 for the total costs, but I'll do that in a whole nother video because that's in my other binder. Textbooks has $5. I did just buy my textbook for this class. I'm like so over these classes. I'm taking off the second block of summer. I'm gonna do 1 summer class, and I'm taking off the summer and the first part of fall because I just need a break. So textbooks is gonna get 5, so it's gonna have a total of 10. Like, I want to finish, but my last like couple classes I have to do clinicals, and if I'm part-time, I'll have more time to do clinicals, so I kind of want to push those back until later. So Christmas has 55. It's going to be getting 5. Like I said before, the goal is 500 this year. Might be a little bit more. We'll see what we can do. But 10, 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. I'm like, did I count that right? That's already pretty good to be in March and be at $60. Simplykay has $80. It's also going to be getting 5. So we should have 85. 20, 40, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85. That is great. I need to start, I need some more gigs. P.O. Box has 20. It's getting 5. We need 65 by November. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. So I just been putting in 5 each time. And then when God blesses me, it's for me to bless you, has 25. It's also getting 5. So we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. And this is for our 3,000 subscriber milestone, which we are so close. Like, thank you guys who have continued to watch my videos while I've been MIA. Hopefully we can get this thing back on a track. So dollar savings challenge has $14 in it, and we're adding in these $5. I try so hard to save these dollars, but like, especially when I'm going out to eat food, I'm like, just use the dollar. But I gotta save them. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How the heck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I don't know what number I missed the first time, but there is $19 in here. And I'm going to write it, because if not, y'all know I'll forget during the next cash stuffing. So then last but not least, we have our savings challenge, and then I'm going to tell you a little bit about my student loans. I'm not going to go into full like depth because I don't have my phone on me and I don't have my binder, but I do want to do like separate videos for the debt stuff, because that's like a whole nother level of stress and excitement. So this is my personal savings challenge. This is kind of like what I'm doing. I want to save until like the end of summer or like the beginning of summer so I can do something for myself. We have in here $455, and we have 20, 40, 60, 80 that is going to be going towards this lovely fund. This fund gets any money that I get over what I budget for my check. So I don't feel like doing that in my head. I probably could, but my brain's like, girl, just put in a calculator. So we should have $535. My goal for this fund is 1,000, but I will gladly go over that. 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 500, 520, 530, 535. 535 is in that. Very excited for this challenge. So that is that, and then we will do our coins and we'll be done. I did put some coins in while I've been gone. So we have a total of $64.52 in here, and we're gonna go right ahead and add in these quarters and this lonely dime. So it's like really starting to fill up. So we have $65.87, which is great. Great. I'm really happy. Like, if you want a simple savings challenge, just get you some coins. So that is all that I have for you guys. Thank you for watching. I'm excited to be back. Hopefully videos will be back on schedule. And yeah, so thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.